Hey, today we're going to look at an app that you can use to play your audio backwards, or maybe you can sing and you kind of, reverse singing app. Okay, this app can really do that. It's simple and you can use it for free. We're going to see how you can use it and what are features are there in the premium version. Some of you do reverse challenges, or maybe on TikTok or whatever. Personally, for me, I use it as fun. Hearing yourself really say things in a reverse way sometimes is kind of fun and weird. So this app is called Reverse Audio. Let me actually open it. And it's actually a simple app, looks like this. Okay, so all you have to do is actually, after installing it, they will tell you to actually, you can maybe pay for a month or a year, but that is optional. So you can just actually close all that, then you start the app afresh. So you can use this app for free. So all you have to do is you just have to actually click on this, record yourself. Maybe you're singing, maybe you're talking. After that, you can play it. So when you play it, you listen to what you have been playing. Then if you want to listen it in a reverse way, you can just click on reverse play, then give it a few seconds, like maybe like 2 or 3 seconds. Then you hear yourself actually talking in the reverse way. So after that, your audio will be recorded in the recordings. You can play, you can reverse play it. You may not be able to share it unless you actually pay their premium, but still you can find this audio in your phone easily. Okay, so there are some features which are disabled by premium, but still I've been using the free version for some time, I think for like the last 4 months, and it's really working for me well. So if you're kind of a person who is trying to find out an app that you can really use for reverse, hearing yourself sing in a reverse way, you can try to check out the reverse audio. It looks like this, and it has more than 1 million downloads. It's by a company called Vida Apps, and I just love the way it's simple. Okay. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in finding out random apps which really can help you do things in everyday life. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.